range statement in Python. Enough with the snippets. Now we're ready to run our first for loop type. Although we will introduce the concept of functions and their types in the upcoming videos, I would like to explain one of the most important built-in functions called range. Range is a function that takes you from a number and returns to you a list of numbers. That input number is the total number of elements will be created in the output list of numbers. In this case, the starting number will be 0. Other cases will be explained later in this video. For example, range of 6 will create a list of numbers starts from 0 and followed 0 with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you see here, total number of elements inside the list is 6 elements, which are from 0 to 6. The numbers of elements in the function input minus 1 equals 5. So the list will comprise numbers from 0 to 5.